Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today's video is on the top 5 best air purifier for kitchen smells. After hours of researching, we have selected these 5 best air purifier for kitchen smells and ranked them based on few criteria like quality, price, durability, and more. If you want to see more information and updated prices, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure to subscribe for more reviews like this. So without any delay, let's get started with the video. Number 1. Rabbit Air -2 Ultra Quiet HEPA Air Purifier. This purifier, which is able to cover a very large area while remaining relatively quiet, received the most endorsements from our experts. In addition to its particle-eliminating HEPA filter, an activated carbon layer absorbs gaseous compounds in the air, which allergist and asthma specialist Dr. Mitchell Grayson says is particularly helpful for eliminating smoke odors. The unit's low-profile design allows it to stand on its own or be mounted on a wall, and it features an air quality indicator as well as a light sensor that automatically switches the unit to a lower power. Read quieter mode at bedtime. Barnes is also a fan of the purifier, noting that it filters both fine dust and volatile organic compounds, the off gases given off by household materials such as wall paint and upholstery. Meanwhile, Casellia appreciates that it has been certified by the Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America, based on third-party testing conducted and reviewed by the foundation and the independent certification company Allergy Standards Limited. For an additional $20, you can get a Wi-Fi-enabled model with a connected app that allows you to check the air quality of your room from anywhere and set the purifier to a daily schedule while you're away. Number 2. Levoit AIR Purifier. Camilla Cho, Vice President of E-Commerce at Vox Media, knew she needed a HEPA-enabled air purifier to alleviate her allergies to puppies. She claims that this unit is the reason she can now live in the same house as her dog stress-free. After all, pet dander is just another contaminant that an air purifier must remove from the air, and this filter captures it within its multi-layer netting, she explains. Cho adds that it only took 3 days for her to notice a difference after taking Levoit. When I woke up, my nasal passages were clear, my eyes were depuffed and less itchy, and I was no longer experiencing fits of non-stop sneezing. Cho was able to reduce her allergy pill consumption from once per day to once per month after 7 months of using a Levoit. Since then, she has recommended it to at least 6 individuals who are now happy, sniffle-free owners of a dog and a Levoit air purifier. Number 3. Germ Guardian True HEPA Filter Air Purifier. Melissa Homer, Chief Cleaning Officer Made Pro, has found this HEPA-enabled air purifier from Germ Guardian to be a lovely solution for homes with dust and pets because it is still affordable but has a slightly larger reach than the Levoit. Germ Guardian compares its sound output at its quietest setting to that of a white noise generator. Number 4. Blueair Blue Pure 411 Plus Air Purifier. This Blueair model is an option for the fashion-conscious. According to Lauren Simonelli, co-founder of the eco-friendly cleaning product company 3 Main, the Pure line accomplishes its tasks without being an eyesore and with an automated setting that makes operation simple. However, the 411 Plus is more than just a pretty face. It is HEPA-enabled and its fan settings adjust automatically based on current conditions. Number 5. Medify AIR MA15 Air Purifier. For kitchens that use heat sources, such as a stove or wood to cook food, Medify MA15 will prevent the spread of smoke and odor throughout the house. This is made possible by a carbon filter containing carbon pellets that absorb harmful gas pollutants such as carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, lead, nitrogen oxides, sulfur dioxide, and ozone. The H13 HEPA filter captures 99.9% of particles as small as 0.1 microns, including mold spore, pollen, pet dander, dust mite, bacteria, and viruses. Additionally, there's an outer pre-filter that protects both filters from sharp airborne particles. Do not be fooled by the small size of the Medify MA15 air purifier. It can cover up to 330 square feet per hour with 2 air changes, suitable for kitchens of most sizes, including those in bungalows, villas, and enormous mansions. The average air delivery rate for dust, pollen, and smoke is 150 CFM. As for noise level, the Medify MA15 operates quietly at 35 decibels up to a maximum of 51 decibels of white noise. It will not disturb your cooking or sleep. The energy consumption is only 18 watts per hour, so you can leave it on 24 hours a day like a refrigerator. The Medify MA15 does have a few drawbacks that may prevent you from purchasing it. Notable is the short filter life of only 2,500 hours or every 3 to 4 months. Annually, the cost of replacing the filter could reach up to $140. The absence of a sensor, a Q indicator, and auto mode is regrettable but understandable given that this is the entry-level model from Medify. If the quoted maintenance cost is acceptable, this medical-grade kitchen air purifier cannot be faulted. A compact, budget-friendly H13 air purifier that is ideal for kitchen use. Remember that the excellent smoke filtration results in a high filter price. This Medify AIR MA15 air purifier model appeals to the fashion-forward. According to 3main co-founder Lauren Simonelli, the Pure line accomplishes its task without being an eyesore and with an automated setting that makes operation simple. However, the 411 Plus is more than just a pretty face. It is HEPA-enabled and its fan settings automatically adjust based on current conditions. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed it. If so, please like and share the video. And also make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions at all. Hope to see you guys in the next video. See you later, guys.